Hey guys, and welcome back to RGTV. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to use your canned beans. And today we're going to use our kidney beans. So this is just a quick lunch or dinner that you can throw together. And all I've taken is some beef sausage that I'm browning, guys. So we added 2 cans of beans to our sausage. We did not drain it. The fat that the sausage releases is actually going to help thicken our beans. I do not drain my beans. I just add the entire content into the pan. I've also added 1 tablespoon of dried parsley. I've added pinto bean seasoning, and we did add about 2 teaspoons. We added 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And then we also added 2 teaspoons of dried onion. So we're just going to cook this to a low simmer, and we're going to let this thicken up just a bit. And in the meantime, we're going to get our pasta ready. Okay, so bring it up to a simmer. We're going to reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 15 minutes. So our pasta is done, and you can add any kind of pasta you like, and we're just going to mix it in with our beans and sausage. Okay, so there it is, ready to go. Sausage, beans, pasta. You can serve this with some cornbread and a salad on the side, or however you like. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always guys, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.